Good morning. Welcome to your Friday, September 14th daily operations weather briefing. Still having some technical difficulties here, so a little bit change in graphics similar to what we had yesterday. Current surface analysis depicting a stall boundary over our region, but the main story point being Hurricane Florence, which made landfall this morning around 7:15 as a Category 1 hurricane, and as it came on shore at Wrightsville Beach was the spot at 105 mile per hour wind gusts as it came ashore at that location. But here at Wallops, we had overcast, mostly cloudy skies. Do have some light scattered showers in the area, and we are expecting some breezy conditions to continue throughout the day today, and then eventually start to see a drop off in our winds as we head into the later portions of this afternoon. Current satellite imagery and seeing a plethora of cloudiness across our region. We're actually starting to get some higher level cloudiness peeking through this morning as the lower level cloudiness is beginning to break up. We should start to see that low level cloudiness though make its way back into the region as we'll start to see some scattered showers begin to make their way northward and into our area later this morning into the afternoon time frame. Won't be a washout, but will definitely be in and out of scattered showers throughout the day today. So for the next 24 hours, we're going to be dry here for at least the next 2 hours, and then by about 10 a.m. we should start to see a chance for those showers increasing, and then we'll be in and out of scattered shower activity throughout the day. Instability is also going to be up a little bit across the local areas, so we can't rule out the chance that we do see an isolated thunderstorm embedded in these showers, especially some of these stronger ones. And that'll be running from about noon to 7 p.m. This evening. Again, it's going to be very isolated in nature, so it's going to be hit or miss in terms of whether or not we get any of that convective activity or lightning activity across our area. Winds will be the talking point for today. Once again, right now we have northeasterly winds at about 13 to 18 knots. Gusts just right below that 25 knot mark. But are expecting the winds to increase here shortly, and should be in a wind advisory criteria in the next hour or so. And we should top out our wind maxes at about 28 knots later this morning, at about 32, 33 miles per hour. We did have a 35 mile per hour wind gust yesterday evening here at Wallops, and that should be about our max wind gust for this event here from Hurricane Florence here at Wallops. As I mentioned earlier, winds should look to decrease later this afternoon. Easterly winds at about 14 to 19 knots, gusting to 27 knots after 12 p.m., and then dropping off to that 25 knot mark by closer to 4 p.m. this afternoon. Chances for showers continuing, and then we'll have winds diminishing as we go later in this evening, with chances for some scattered showers by about. Should be able to drop that wind advisory criteria after about 6 p.m. this evening, where winds should drop off pretty quickly down into the lower 20s, and then we'll have sustained winds at about 10 to 15 knots overnight, gusting to 20 knots, with temperatures dropping down to around the mid 70s, 75 degrees, and then much the same tomorrow morning with just some light drizzle, scattered showers in the area potentially as Hurricane Florence moves farther westward. We'll have tides at about 1 to 2 feet above normal currently, and that should pretty much be what our tidal anomalies will be throughout the event, and that'll be occurring today and into early tomorrow as well. For Saturday, it'll be mostly cloudy to overcast with a chance of scattered showers and breezy with a high of 81 degrees, and then Saturday night mostly cloudy and breezy with a slight chance of a shower with a low of 73 degrees. Sunday partly sunny and breezy with a slight chance of a shower, a high of 82 degrees, and with those chances for showers, they're going to be very isolated in nature, so only about a 15% chance that we see some shower activity Saturday night and into Sunday as Hurricane Florence will pretty much be the remnants of Florence move farther south and westward, and then eventually could come back north and impact our area as they're embedded in a cold front that'll be dropping or moving across our area by early next week. Just quickly taking a look at the National Hurricane Center update as of 8 a.m. Category 1 hurricane, 90 mile per hour winds with a central pressure of 958 millibars, and the forecasted track is expected to have this meander as the steering flow is rather weak, and we'll actually be able to drop just a bit south over the next several hours and into tomorrow morning and then eventually an upper level trough will be coming through and picking this system up and bringing it northward, where we could see potential impacts from the remnants of the system early next week. That'll conclude the daily operations weather brief, and we'll have a more detailed outlook coming up at 10 a.m. So stay tuned for that. Have a great day.